Another week is here for Palantir stock and the stock market, guys, and we have to cover what to expect in this video. And we do have a bit of a wonky week. We have Christmas, Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, guys, by the way. Happy holidays. So we do have the markets closed on Wednesday. We have a half day on Tuesday. So it is a bit of a weird week, but we're still going to break down Palantir, the charts, what I'm looking to do, and maybe some other stocks later in the video. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on, guys, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. Once you do that, you get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, if you ask me, that's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo and let's get into it. So Palantir, guys, on Friday had a ridiculous day. I mean, it looked bad in the pre-market. We were at $70 per share, 70 flat pretty much, and then we ripped for the rest of the day. I mean, we went from $70 to $72 at open to about $75 to $77 by the middle of the day. And then by close, guys, we hit $80 per share. In fact, after the bell, we hit over $81 per share. So yeah, talk about a massive recovery day for Palantir. It went up around 15% from from bottom to top. I mean, unbelievable for for this stock, considering how much it's already gone up. So yeah, we covered about $11 of ground on Friday, guys. And with that move, we took out all of the highs from last week. We broke out of the highs from Thursday, from Wednesday, from Tuesday, right? Pretty easily. Which the high from last week, before Friday, was around $77. $76. So we clearly got out of there. And now we're at $80 per share, but we just have to, we have to see where we go next. I mean, the all-time high is $82. We're at $81 right now, guys. We're pretty much right there. And like we've covered in recent videos, and if you guys missed it, I'll show you right now. We had a wedge. Did we not, on PLTR stock? Last week, we covered that. Even the week before that, we saw signs of a wedge forming, higher lows, lower highs at the same time, and now we're fully breaking out. You guys can see PLTR's taken out the wedge. We took out the highs from Thursday, from Friday, all of last week, and now really, or not from Friday, but from Wednesday. You guys know what I'm saying. All of last week, we broke out of the highs on Friday, and now we are right by the all-time high. And if I had to guess, guys, to put the cherry on top of a crazy year we've had so far, I think we're going to hit all-time highs this week. I think we'll hit all-time highs, and who knows, man, maybe we have another breakout to $85 for all we know before the end of the year. All I know is we're setting up very beautifully. We're looking very bullish right now, guys. Breaking out of the wedge here. We're above the moving averages on the 1-hour chart. Very bullish, man. And on the 4-hour time frame, I mean, do you guys see this? This looks really good. I mean, we bounced off the 180 SMA on Friday. We ripped out of the 50 SMA, which we were slightly under it for a couple of trading days there. Nothing crazy. But now we're breaking out, running all the way to $82. It looks like $82.50, $83, roughly the all-time high. And then if that, that breaks, yeah, guys, we're going to be looking pretty good on PLTR. So, yeah, I mean, it looks really good. And the million-dollar question is, will we continue the gains from Friday? Will we build on those gains? If so, guys, all-time highs are coming. But like I said, I think they are going to come this week or maybe right before the end of the year. But it's not guaranteed, of course. So make sure to do your own research, the whole 9 yards. You guys know the spiel. I'm not a financial advisor, blah, 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 blah. But man, talk about a crazy year it's been. My average cost on PLTR right now is $21, which is nuts to say out loud considering we're at $80 now. So I'm up almost 300% on my position. And I mean, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable, right? And if this thing sees a substantial pullback in 2025, I might be buying more. But as of now, guys, looking at the charts, it doesn't look like it wants to pull back anytime soon heading into the new year. It looks like, again, it wants to go higher, like I said in this video. So let me know your thoughts in the comments about that, guys. I'm curious kind of where your head's at. And before we talk about some other stocks here, don't forget to join the email list, which is it's completely free. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday, and all you guys have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box down below. And again, it's free every Monday. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks for that week right to you guys. And right now, I think we almost have 2,000 people on the email list, and it's continuing to grow every day, guys. So make sure you get in there. So PLTR looking really bullish, and it's not the only one, guys. It's not the only one. A lot of other stocks are looking great. We have Carnival Cruise Line breaking out heading into this week. We just got earnings on Friday. They did pretty well. The stock went up 6.5%. And now it looks like we're running towards the highs from about 2 weeks ago, right? Being about $27, $27.20. And by the looks of it, man, on the back of good earnings, CCL looks like it wants to take out $27.20. So let's see if this momentum continues into this new week. I'm very curious. This could be a nice momentum play for this week. Let me see what else moved on Friday, guys. We had Rivian move, but I think the chart does not look great. It actually looks pretty decent on second thought. You know, Rivian just ripped to $15.50 about a week ago. Then we cooled off to $12.50, so a $3 pullback or about 20%. And you guys can see Rivian popped 6% on Friday. Buyers came in at $12.50 to $12.75, which happens to be the old resistance. Buyers came in there, held it as support, very good sign, and we're continuing the move here, guys. So Rivian actually looks really bullish here, maybe for a continuation play. Back to $14, maybe $15 per share. And not to toot my own horn, but I'm pretty sure we called out this cup and handle breakout on Rivian about 3 weeks ago. I'm not sure if you guys remember that, but I'm pretty sure we called it out. We have the cup. Well, we had the cup, the handle here, then we broke out. So now I'm looking to maybe play this thing again. Time will tell, guys. But Rivian had a pretty good Friday. Looks like it's setting up nicely heading into this week here, guys. And let me do one more. Airbnb's moving. Is the chart looking good? Not really. But Airbnb had a 4% green day on Friday. Let's see. Micron reported numbers, right? Their stock collapsed. So this is one worth watching. Very beaten down heading into this week. I'm not sure what they reported. I forget. Let's double check here, guys. Where are these numbers? I don't see the numbers. They're probably too far down here. Either way, whatever. Micron's worth watching after, it's plummeting at this point. Maybe for a rebound play. But overall, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and check out the Patreon if you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio every single week. That's on Patreon, link down below, and you might as well snag up your free stocks from Moomoo while the deal lasts and the clock is ticking, guys. So use that link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Mumu. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.